Welcome to the Booking.com tutorial for beginners. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of booking a hotel or accommodation on Booking.com. First, go to the Booking.com website and enter your destination in the search bar. You can type the city, country, or specific address where you want to stay. Then select your check-in and check-out dates and the number of guests. Once you have entered this information, click the search button. Booking.com will display a list of available hotels and accommodations that match your search criteria. You can filter the results by price, location, and type of accommodation. To narrow down your search, use the filters on the left side of the page. You can choose from various options such as hotel class, distance from the city center, and amenities like free Wi-Fi and breakfast. When you find a hotel that interests you, click on it to view more details. The hotel page will show you the price, location, and available rooms. You can also read reviews from other guests and view photos of the hotel. To book a hotel, click the Book Now button. You will be asked to enter your personal details and payment information. Make sure to read the hotel's cancellation policy before you book. After you have completed the booking process, you will receive a confirmation email from Booking.com. This email will contain your booking details and a reference number. It is essential to check the email for any errors or discrepancies. If you need to make any changes to your booking, you can do so by logging into your Booking.com account or by contacting the Booking.com customer service team. In conclusion, booking a hotel on Booking.com is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily find and book your ideal accommodation. Remember to always read the hotel's policies and reviews before making a booking. And do not hesitate to contact the customer service team if you need any assistance.